Hey up guys, Sam and Jack here from Manifold Modified. As you can see, we've got a new Malian unboxing today. It's the first one we've properly done with just an unboxing, and this is the new unequal length manifold that Malian have just brought out. And we heard a sound clip of it, and it's supposed to sound similar to a Subaru Impreza.
Yeah.
And when I first got my car, I was tempted to get an unequal length one for that purpose, but I decided not to. I've stuck with standard manifold. But now this one's come out and I've heard the noise, and I saw the price, and Jack was up for doing a video on it as well, so we decided to get one and bring you guys along with the journey of getting it fit.
Yep. So do you want to do the honours?
Yep, let's do it. Excited. It does look pretty cool as well. Oh,
here we go.
Oh, yeah.
Guessing the instruction manual it comes with. Got a new gasket. Oh, here it is.
There we go. Let's get this double ruffle. That looks insane. Look at that.
That is incredible.
That is insane. That is awesome. Look at that.
Gotta say, I'm really impressed with how this looks.
It just looks insane. And obviously the main reason, or the main purpose of it, obviously it gets rid of a catalyst converter, so it should give it a bit more breathing, like a decat manifold does. But because it's unequal length, it won't be as beneficial power-wise compared to an equal length one, but it does give you that noise, like a more of a deep burble noise.
So yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna fit it to my car, see what it's like, and I'm gonna try it with loads of different exhausts. So I've got the Malian single exit back box that I've got on at the moment, so we'll have that. I've got the ISR back box delete, so it'll probably sound crazy with that.
Yeah.
We've got my old Powerflow back box,
Yes.
which is a bit like the Cobra.
It's similar to the Malian.
Oh yeah, Malian.
That they do.
Yeah.
Where it's got two small back boxes to two tips, and then I've also got the Goodwin Racing Roadster Sport 2.
Yeah.
That will sound amazing with it as well, I'm pretty sure. So we're going to test them all out and see how it sounds. And another thing that I've noticed is these are, well, them ones that are 4 to 2 to 1.
Yeah.
Are they both like that?
Yeah,
so them ones, these two here, they go down into 1 here. So it's a 4 2.
Yeah,
4
yeah,
2
2
to
to
1.
1.
And then these two here, they go to 2 at the top here, and then this pipe.
So yeah, you can really see how short that collector is there compared to this one.
Yeah, so
that must be what giving the noises.
Yeah, that will help with the unequal length as well.
I think that will look good in the engine bay as well with it stuck out.
That bit there, yeah. That'll look amazing.
Yeah.
Because one thing that I was going to do with mine is I've got the Rotrix supercharger, but I've tried different exhaust setups on Jack's car because he's got the decat manifold, and in my opinion they don't sound quite as good. So I wanted to stick with a standard manifold, but the amount of power that you lose is quite dramatic when you stick with a standard manifold, and it can also blow the catalyst converter out. So with this, it might be the option that I go for, which is decat, so it doesn't blow the catalyst converter out.
Yeah.
Might be a tad lower on power, but it will be more power than you get with a standard one.
Yeah. Well, also because I'll be putting the one that I've got out, which is a 4 to 1 IL Motorsport, so you'll be able to see the difference. You'll be able to see the difference in tubular lengths as well. So that'll be quite a nice comparison as well to see. But yeah,
I'm excited.
I'm excited. It's going to be a good next video that we do.
Yeah. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it, and we're definitely going to bring you guys along for the journey. Because I've only heard one car with this on.
Yeah.
We'll show the video now.
Was also as well what I have just got for my ECU. It's an ECU cover from Kotaworks, 3D printed in carbon, and it's very nice.
It's very
Very
nice.
good quality. Very impressed. and it's half price compared to the competitors, which are metal. So I can't wait to get this fit, because I'm going to need to fit this because I've got the Scuzzle ram air intake. So the ECU, you can just see, like you can see on that photo there, it's just open.
There we go.
And then I'm also going to be fitting some bonnet vents as well, so it'll stop any water from going on the ECU. I know they are waterproof, but this is just like an extra protection. So
it does look good as well.
Yeah.
To be fair,
I'm really impressed with how this looks. Because some 3D printed stuff can look a bit cheap and shabby, but this is really nice, lovely quality.
to be honest, I might do the same when I get my supercharger fit. I've got a similar air intake, so you'll be able to see the ECU more. But again, going back onto a manifold, I think it looks amazing.
Yeah,
It really does.
yeah. So that'll be hopefully one of his it'll be one of his videos in the future. Maybe have it on before Japfest. Maybe I might have it on mine. Hopefully.
We can also see like how it affects just throttle response compared to a standard manifold, and also compared to the equal length one.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think that's everything, guys. But hopefully you've enjoyed the video, and we've got plenty more to come. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the ones that we've made in the past. If you've got any video ideas, definitely let us know. We'll definitely consider them. But we've definitely got some in the pipeline, and excited to show you guys.
Yeah, we've still got the modified MX-5 series that we're doing as well. We've already got a few people in line to do that. I'll be doing mine as well at some point, going around and talking about all the stuff that's done on the car. So go and check Sam's out, which we've put up last year.
Mine was the first car, and we'll also be doing Jack's once it's fully finished.
Yeah.
We've got one of our other friends as well. You'll see his videos on our channel called Matt. He's the one where we wrapped the back of his car in green. So we'll be doing one for his. We've also got MX-5 Gaz, who's got a Stage 2 supercharged NC. I'm looking forward to having him on.
And I think Rory. I think you said you want to be in it as well, so we'll make sure.
Yeah, a lot of them are NCs currently, but we'll definitely branch into NA, NB, and even NDs in the future.
So yeah, thanks again, guys, for watching, and we will see you on the next one.
Yeah, see you guys soon.